Now, we just finished looking at quartiles, which divides a data set, like this one, into quarters. Now, deciles comes from, or divides data into tenths. Now, it gets a little bit complicated. The more you divide data in, there's a very, very subtle change that after you do a few problems, you might come across. But really, at the heart of it, when we do or divide data into deciles, we have to do the same thing as what we do with quartiles. We have to divide, or should I say, organize the data in order from smallest to highest. So this is length in centimeters, close bracket, of 20 newborn infants at a hospital. And so we've put them in this from the shortest, 44 centimeters, right through to the longest, which is 56 centimeters. And what I've done is I've said, well, there's a total here of 20 scores. And I've divided that 20 scores in 10 bits. And I see that 20 divided by 10 is 2. So I've divided every 2 scores, I've put a line. Line, line. And so at D1, in other words, the decile 1, this is decile 2, decile 3, decile 4, decile 5, decile 6, decile 7, decile 8, decile 9, decile 10. At decile 1, you cut off the lowest 10% of scores. At decile 2, you cut off the lowest 20% of scores. And it's a bit different because often with quartiles, you're actually asked what the quartile is. With deciles, it's actually they usually use the deciles in a different way and say, you know, what scores are up to the third decile. That took a while for me to get there. So, but let's go through these questions. What is the third decile of this data? And so as we go over, it's the score that is in between 48 and 49. And so we see that the third decile of this data is 48.5. Between 48 and 49, 48.5. What's the fifth decile? You see it's in between 50 and 50, so it has to be 50. What's another name for the 50th decile? Okay, the 50th decile, 50 out of 100, or 5 out of 10, I mean to say, is the median. The median is the fifth decile. Find the value that separates the bottom 70% length from the top 30%. So what decile is that? Well, the bottom 70% is the 7th decile. So it's 51.5. That decile there is the one that separates the top 30% and the bottom 70%. If newborn James is in the top 10%, over which weight must he be? He must be over between 53 and 55, 54 centimeters. Okay? And so deciles, as a summary, they divide or separate the data in tenths. Deci means 1/10. And each decile cuts off. If it's a first decile, then it cuts off the first 10%. If it's a fourth decile, then it cuts off the 40th percent.